Hi, you guys. This video is for Canvas students who are looking to answer questions in Canvas using the math editor. It is a very simplistic way just for us to see your mathematics answers in a mathematical format. So let's say we have this one. It says solve for the derivative 2 over x squared, right? And so, of course, if we're doing the derivative of 2 over x squared, then that means we will need to use the math type editor to make our answer. So you will begin to click here where it says insert math equation, right? And then you will select the different functions that you need. Now, if I quickly do the math for 2 over x squared, which is really 2 to the x to the negative 2, so that's negative 4x to the negative 3. So technically, we would answer it as negative 4, right? But we want it as a fraction. So you can either use the slash button on your laptop, or you may select this button here, and this will give you a fraction as well. Okay, so again, you can select here and then do negative 4 and then x. Now to do the exponents, you will hit the superscript and then you will enter into your answer. There's different various things that you can use while I'm here, but here I'll insert my answer so I can be taken. But just to go back and reiterate, the superscript here is there for you to do your exponents. You have your fraction, you have your radicals. If you have a different root, let's say you had a cube root of x, you can insert there. In another video later on, I'll tell you how to do limits, but limits are on here as well. Um, um, and this is a LaTeX format, so I'll have to show you an advanced way. But definitely for what we're doing with derivatives, you should be able to use the math type editor and just use some of these basic functions. If you're telling me it's a derivative, don't forget the f prime of x, right, equals to, so technically my answer should have been f prime of x equals to negative 4 divided by x to the negative, not negative, to the positive 3. Okay, so those are the different ways that you can use math type editor, but please make sure you do that. And that's it for this video. Thanks.